Can you ask me a question about health and fitness?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
So, you look fit. What do you do to stay fit?
Okay. What do I do? As a work or to stay fit?
To stay fit, do you work out?
I do work out.
How many times in a week?
I kind of work out at least 3 to 4 times in a week. Yes, mostly involving cardio and specific fitness. So luckily I stay next to Lodi Garden.
Okay.
So twice or thrice in a week I go to Lodi Garden for evening jogging, running.
Okay.
Then I come to Pan Market to do a little bit of cooling down.
Okay, nice.
And on the weekend, and mostly Friday, Saturday, I go to gym.
Okay.
I'm quite regular that way as far as fitness.
Do you find any challenge staying fit?
See, fitness, like as they say, anything good in life doesn't come easy, right?
Yeah.
So, if you have a fitness mindset, it's not very challenging. You know, take out 45-50 minutes, you have to do running, jogging, and all that thing. It's, I think, more of a mindset than the physical challenge. The mindset you can manage.
So, have you ever hired a personal trainer?
No, I never. Actually, to tell you, I'm a kind of, from a job which inculcates fitness, I'm a Fauji officer, I'm a defense officer. So since my NDA days, we have been trained to be fit. So I never felt the requirement of a personal trainer. Of course, because as I told you, I've been trained to be fit.
Okay. Okay.
But for others, I understand those who don't have that kind of exposure, they probably need someone to guide them.
Yes, actually, I'm a fitness coach. I help people with weight loss and strength training.
You do that?
Yes,
That's interesting.
So I make a blog, I interview people for the awareness in our society and the community.
I'm so happy you're doing a wonderful job. Though I feel that I know decently, but professional is a professional, and I respect you for your profession. So I won't mind interacting with you. You can share your whatever cards or number with me. I'll probably get in touch.
Sure. You can have it. And if anybody needs in your relatives and you know, you can share with them.
Because as I told you, the basic fitness wise, I have an idea, but I at the same time, respect professional.
Yes.
Because I would be knowing generic thing.
Yeah.
What you would be knowing best, I probably would not know.
Mhm.
So I definitely get in touch and try to seek your guidance.
Okay.
To be more
So
fit.
do you follow any nutritional regime? Or do you...
No, as I told you that I have a generic idea of most of the thing.
Okay.
So I try to be generally in shape. I'm not in extreme fitness. I'm not looking to make six pack and a body like you. That's not my job. So I follow a basic healthy eating habit.
Okay.
I know that sugar is not to be eaten, so I avoid it. I know that carb has to be reduced, so I take very little.
Yeah.
I know the amount of protein I need to take as per my height and the weight, 1 pound. So I have that idea. I try to remain in that. I don't follow any strict diet. Okay, I have to go into this GI diet or this diet. My funda is कि सब कुछ average करो and stay fit.
Do you have a still goal for fitness?
As I told you, my basic goal is to stay fit. As of now.
Okay. That's
No extreme goal that I need to make six pack or lose 10 kgs. No,
So
sir.
how old are you?
Make a guess. I'm in front of you.
About 40?
Yeah, touch wood, I'm 48.
Really?
Yeah.
Unbelievable. But your fitness is like you be 30, 35.
Thank you so much. Sounds
Wow,
good.
impressive.
Yeah.
You're
So I told you, my funda has been to just stay broadly within a line. Unless you are a professional, unless someone is a bodybuilder or someone is a model, जिनका main काम ये है, then you should go to extreme. For common people, just stay fit. Avoid diseases. Keep yourself with a limit where you can eat whatever you want to eat without falling sick.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much. Thanks for the card and we'll
Okay.
get in touch.